Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to transfer Google Photos to the USB flash drive on your Android device. Firstly, let me connect my flash drive to my phone. Here we go. And now we need to check if we have the flash drive. And right here, I'm going to show you in the Google files and on my files. So I have realme right here. It also, this phone also have an application for your files. And right here, actually, we have it. So here is my flash drive. We can also check. We can write files, and we can use in the Google files in download. We have nothing because we need to install it. We need to save it, but right here we have the flash drive. Okay, now let me open Google Photos application, and now select one photo what you wanna share. Let's say I wanna share these 5 photos. After you select them, click Share at the left bottom, and then you can save it to the files, to the Google files, on your files. Let's say I wanna save it to Google download files. Right here I have it, but if I open my files application and go to download, right here I also have them. Okay, so now firstly let me show it for you with Google Files, how to move it to your folder, and then I will show you also with my files with realme application. So we need to select all of these photos. You can click at the check mark near to the day, or you can click at the 3 dots and click select all, or you can also select some of these photos by just press and hold it. Okay, now let me select all of them. Then you click at the 3 dots at the right top, and you need to select copy to, because if you use move to, we have external storage. But if I use copy to, now it asks me to save it in my flash drive. So click on it. Then you need to select the folder. I already have the folder, Android folder, but you can also create a new folder by clicking on the new folder, and you can call it, let's say, test. And now I save it to my flash drive, so we can check it. If we go to the flash drive, then I save it to the test. So right here I have this photo. Okay, now let's use the My Files application. So we need to also go to the downloads. Then we need to select all of these photos. You can select it. You can use 3 dots and then click select all. Now click at the move, and then select your storage. And right here, let's this time save it to the Android file. Oh no, I don't need to create. Move here. Okay. And as you can see, we moved it, so it removed it from the downloads, and now we have it on the flash drive. So let's check it. Flash drive, Android, and we have these 5 photos. And also we have it in the test. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.